Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Funtime Foxy from Five Nights at Freddy's. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing his hair with curve line upwards, slightly to the right, sharp turn downwards on the right corner, sharp turn back diagonally up to the right for the other piece of hair, and another one, and sharp turn diagonally downwards on the right side. On the left corner, I'm going to draw another piece of hair with curve line diagonally up to the left, sharp turn downwards on the left corner. At the ending point at the side, curve line diagonally down to the side of his face, turn it downwards. Flare it out to the side on his cheek. Semi-skirt turn back inwards to the right at the lower point with the diagonal curve line. Mirror the same shape of the head on the right side. Now for his ear, on the top left corner of the head, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally across, turn it upwards on the right corner, turn it diagonally up to the left and to the tip of his ear. Sharp turn downwards with a curve line on the left corner. Curve it back to the ending point on the right. Inside of the ear, I'm going to trace the same set of lines along the edge. From the tip of the ear, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the right there, and below the ear I'm going to draw two lines downwards to his head. Mirror the same shape of the ear on the right side. Now in the middle of his face, I'm gonna draw the upper part of his snout with a curved line diagonally out to the left and slightly downwards. Semi-skirt turn downwards, turn it across to the right with a curved line, and mirror the same shape of the snout on the right side right there. And inside of that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw his nose with a square shape. And below that, I'm going to draw in the middle point a line downwards to his mouth. And above that, I'm going to draw a line upwards all the way to the top of his head right there. Below his nose, I'm going to draw his lips with a curved line across to the left from the middle point. Semi-skirt turn downwards. Mirror the same shape of the lips on the right side. Above the lips at the side, I'm going to draw two circular shape right there, and another circular shape in the middle point above that set of circles. Copy the same shape of the circle on the right side of the snout. Above the snout, I'm going to draw his eyes off center to the left, a line upwards, arch curve line to the left, turn it downwards, semi-skirt turn to the right, turn it diagonally up to the ending point on the right side. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a circular shape and fill in the outer corner of that circle with black color. And inside of that, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for his pupil, and inside of that, on the top right corner, a small circular shape and a black circle in the middle of his pupil. Above the eye, in the middle point, I'm going to trace the same outline of the eye at this upper corner, curve it inwards at this lower point and to the side of his snout. At the side of his snout, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that point. Above the eye, I'm going to draw his eyebrow with curved line across, semicircle turn upwards at the inner corner, semicircle turn out to the left and to his outer corner of the eyebrow. Copy the whole eye shape on the right side of his face. Now for his lower jaw, below the snout on the left corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, turn it diagonally to the middle point, curved line across in the middle, and mirror the same shape of the jaw on the right side. Inside of that, on the left corner, curved line downwards, turn it diagonally to the middle point, curved line across to the right, mirror the same shape of the jaw on the right corner. Below his snout, I'm going to draw his teeth with triangle shape from the middle point across to the left. Copy that same shape all the way to the side of his mouth on the left side right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. And I'm going to mirror the whole teeth shape at this lower point. Below his head, at the side of his chin, curved line diagonally out to the left, turn it upwards, turn it inwards to the right. Mirror that same set of line on the right side right here. Now at the side of his jaw, I'm going to draw a curved line out to the left, turn it downwards, diagonal turn out to the left, curved line downwards, turn it inwards to the right, and semicircle turn downwards. Semicircle turn to the right. Below the ribbon on the left corner, curved line downwards, flare it out to the left and curl it back inwards to the right. Curved line downwards at that corner. Semicircle turn to the right. Turn it upwards in the middle of his outfit right there. And at that ending point, I'm going to draw a circular shape. And inside of that, I'm going to draw another smaller circular shape along the edges. At the side of his rib, I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the right and slightly downwards. And I'm going to mirror the whole shape on the left side. Below that, for his hips, I'm going to draw on the left corner, curved line downwards and flare it out to the left, semicircle turn to the right, and on the right side of that, and on the right side of that, and on the right side of that, I'm going to repeat the same set of line again. Curved line across on the right in the middle point right there, and mirror the same set of shape on the right side. Below his hips, I'm going to draw his legs with curved line diagonally downwards in the middle point, off center to the left, curved line across to the left, turn it back diagonally upwards with curved line at the outer corner of his legs right there. Inside of that shape, on the left corner, I'm going to draw a line downwards, semi-turn to the right with a curved line, and below that, a curved line across from the left all the way to the right. Below that, I'm going to draw his ankle with curved line downwards on both the left and right. And from the side, curved line to the middle, semi-turn downwards, and curved line downwards to his ankle point. Mirror that same set of line on the left side right here. And from the outer corner, curved line out, turn it downwards with a diagonal curved line, turn it inwards to the middle point with a curved line. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. And at the outer corner of the leg, I'm gonna draw 3 rectangular shape right there. Now below the ankle, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape right there. A line outwards on both the left and right side of that. Semi-turn downwards on the right corner right here. Turn it diagonally across to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it upwards. Semi-turn to the left. Semi-turn upwards. And diagonal line upwards to his ankle point. On the left side of that, a similar diagonal line downwards to the left, semi-turn to the left, sharp turn diagonally upwards to his ankle point on the right side. Now for his toes, I'm going to draw from the right corner, curved line across to the right and slightly downwards, sideways to the right, turn it upwards, turn it diagonally up to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards from the lower point right there, turn it diagonally up to the right. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape at that corner. Copy the whole toes shape 3 more times across to the left. Now for his left arm, I'm going to draw his shoulder with a line downwards, across to the left, diagonal curved line upwards to the right and to that ending point. Below the shoulder, curved line across, right there. Another similar curved line slightly below that. And from the ending point at the side, curved line downwards on the left and right and flared slightly out. Below that, curved line diagonally down to the left on both the left and right. Curved line across below that, right there. Curved line downwards and slightly to the left. And I'm going to do the same thing for the inner line. Curved line across on his wrist. Inside of that, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards in the middle point right there. And above that, a line upwards, semi-turn to the right. Now below his wrist, I'm going to draw a line across right there. Turn it downwards on the right corner and on the left corner. Sideways to the left, turn it upwards. And inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards in the middle point right there. On the right side of the hand, I'm going to draw his thumb at the upper corner with an arch curved line. On the right side of that, a rectangular shape downwards and slightly to the right. Another smaller rectangular shape below that, and a triangular shape for the nail. Now below his hand, I'm going to draw his finger on the left side of the thumb with a rectangular shape and another rectangular shape below that. A triangular shape on the left side below that, and on the right side of that triangular shape, curved line across, turn it upwards. Copy the same shape of the finger across to the left. I'm gonna copy the whole arms shape and the leg shape on the right side. For his tail, at the side of his waist, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line out to the left. Continue that curve line at the outer corner of his arms. An arch curve line to the left and turn it downwards to the tip of his tail. Sharp turn back upwards on the left corner with a curve line. An arch curve line across to the right and to the side of his shoulder right there. Inside of his tail, from the lower point, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the left. Sharp turn to the right with a curve line. Sharp turn back to the left, diagonal curve line. Sharp turn to the right. And repeat that same set of line to the right corner right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!